Freelancing is becoming increasingly popular. More and more people are discovering the benefits of working independently. More people are choosing this career path, seeking the freedom it offers. It offers flexibility and independence, allowing individuals to work from virtually anywhere. The digital age has made freelancing easier than ever before, with countless tools and resources available online. The internet connects freelancers with clients worldwide, breaking down geographical barriers. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr facilitate this connection, making it simple to find and secure work. Specialized skills are in high demand, and freelancers can capitalize on their unique talents. These skills can be marketed effectively online, through personal websites and professional networks. Freelancing allows individuals to be their own bosses, making decisions that best suit their lifestyles. They set their own hours and choose their projects, giving them control over their work-life balance. This autonomy is a major draw for many, providing a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment. The gig economy is booming, with freelancing at its core. Freelancing is a significant part of this growing trend, offering diverse opportunities. It offers a viable alternative to traditional employment, appealing to those seeking change. It empowers individuals to control their careers, achieve their goals, and celebrate their successes. Freelancing differs significantly from traditional employment. Freelancers are independent contractors. They are not employees of a company. They work on a project basis. Traditional employees work for a single employer. They receive a regular salary. They have set working hours. They are entitled to employee benefits. Freelancers have more control over their work. They choose their clients and projects. They set their own rates. They manage their own time. Traditional employment offers stability. It provides a regular income. It includes benefits like health insurance and paid time off. It offers a structured work environment. Freelancing offers several advantages that make it an attractive career choice for many. Flexibility is a key benefit, allowing freelancers to work at their own pace and on their own terms. Freelancers set their own schedules, which means they can work during their most productive hours, whether that's early in the morning or late at night. They can work from anywhere, be it a cozy home office, a bustling cafe, or even a serene beach or mountain cabin. Control over workload is another significant advantage. Freelancers have the autonomy to decide how much work they want to take on at any given time. They can choose to take on more projects when they need extra income or scale back when they need a break. This flexibility allows them to balance work and personal life more effectively, making time for family, hobbies, and self-care. This autonomy is truly empowering. Freelancers often work on diverse projects, which keeps their work interesting and engaging. They are not tied to a single type of task or industry. This variety also allows for continuous skill development, as they are constantly learning and adapting to new challenges. It exposes freelancers to different industries and broadens their professional network, opening up new opportunities. Unlimited income potential is a significant draw. Freelancers have the ability to set their own rates and increase their earnings. They can negotiate higher rates based on their experience and the value they bring to their clients. By taking on more projects or raising their rates, they can significantly boost their income. Hard work directly translates to higher income, providing a strong incentive to stay motivated and productive. Personal growth is a major benefit of freelancing. It encourages self-reflection and goal setting. Freelancing requires self-discipline, time management, and excellent communication skills, which are valuable in all aspects of life. These skills not only enhance their professional life, but also contribute to their personal development and overall well-being. Section 4. Challenges of freelancing. Freelancing also presents challenges. Income can be uncertain and unpredictable. Finding clients takes effort and persistence. Work may not always be consistent, leading to periods of downtime. Freelancers lack traditional employee benefits such as retirement plans and health insurance. They must secure their own health insurance, which can be costly and time-consuming. They don't receive paid time off or sick leave, making it hard to take breaks. This requires careful financial planning and budgeting. Self-discipline is essential to manage finances effectively. Freelancers must manage their own time efficiently. They must stay motivated and organized. Procrastination can be a significant hurdle, affecting productivity. Client acquisition can be difficult and time-consuming. Freelancers must market their services effectively to attract clients. They must build a strong reputation. Networking is crucial for success. Loneliness can be a factor. Freelancers often work alone, without the camaraderie of an office. They may miss the social interaction and team dynamics of a traditional office environment. Joining online communities and virtual meetups can help combat this isolation and provide a sense of belonging. Section 5, starting your freelancing journey, identify your skills. What are you good at? What services can you offer? Consider your experience and interests. Build a portfolio, showcase your work, include samples and testimonials. Offer discounted or free services to gain experience. Choose a freelancing platform. Upwork and Fiverr are popular options. Alternatively, build your own website. This offers greater control. Set competitive rates. Research industry standards. Consider your expenses. Offer different pricing structures. Find clients. Use freelancing platforms. Network with other professionals. Send cold emails. Utilize social media marketing. Ask for referrals. Section 6. Managing your freelance business. Use project management tools. Stay organized. Track deadlines. Communicate effectively with clients. Track your time accurately. Use time tracking software. This ensures accurate billing. It helps with productivity analysis. Create contracts. Protect yourself. Outline the scope of work. Specify payment terms. This avoids misunderstandings. Invoice regularly. Use professional invoicing software. Track payments. Follow up on overdue invoices. Maintain accurate financial records. Section 7. Conclusion, the future of freelancing. Freelancing offers a fulfilling career path. It requires hard work and dedication. Persistence is key. Strategic planning is essential. Set goals. Market your services effectively. Continuously develop your skills. Freelancing allows you to be your own boss. It provides flexibility and control. It empowers you to pursue your passions. The future of freelancing is bright. The gig economy is expanding. Opportunities are increasing. Embrace the challenges and enjoy the rewards.